welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we've got just a standard video. It's just Dylan spending every part of his wallet that he has. No, I'm joking. Yeah, he's spending more money at his lovely employer R44. Anyways, but you can see behind me is Dylan's M2 Competition. Recently we fitted the full CSF package. He then flashed it with a TWP, so Tom Reedy Performance Stage 2, and we went for a drive on Sunday and he blew his charge pipe. So he was on the side of the highway, primarily because it's a mixture really. It's obviously increased power, it's what they're there for, as well as a bit of fitment for myself, because the kind of silicon joiners on the stock charge pipes, they've been on the car for 30,000 miles. They're formed to the original. We've then fitted the CSF, which is a slightly less aggressive insert into the silicon, so it did pop off, and I think I could have probably wrenched it a lot harder, but obviously I didn't think to do that because I wrenched it hard enough. But anyways, so he's gone out and bought a set of MMR Chargepipes and a J-pipe. To be honest, it's the first time seeing these in hand. Actually, no, second time, but they actually are a beautiful bit of kit. The details, the finish is really nice. I love the MMR details, especially in Dylan's beautiful engine bay. They'll look really clean, and they just set things off with the black. He was torn between these and then the Venturi full carbon ones, but they are just quite spenny, and I think the black kind of goes really well with his engine bay setup. So we're going to run through the install today. It's pretty self-explanatory. We just start removing the stock charge pipes, put these in place, tighten them up. But as you can see, the construction of these are a lot stronger than these flimsy plastic ones, as well as you get proper silicon joiners, and these are fresh. So once you connect them up, it'll be nice and tight on the car. And yeah, all should be good. And the J-pipe again, increasing the rigidity of the products on this car, ready for Dylan when he puts some hybrids on it and pushes it a bit harder in the near future once that bank balance recovers from the CSF. But anyways, let's get straight into it and let's transform this car.